Joketo Mwandu koro kwa mar mondo mi obi omol e pacho kaendi kendo keto Mwandu kaluwore kanyendo kora joticha ma bende koro ikore mar mondo mi otie kembego eko ma inyalo bi ketie pacho kaendi. Kwayo ma kamaendi ogoli koda nyapare duol mar jotend migepe Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi ma bende en jatend migawo mochung' ne tudruok pinje maoko ma oyango ni piny Kenya koro keto jombetre mage e pinjego eko mopogore opogore mar mondo mi olomb joket Mwandu obi e pacho kaendi ka oyango ni lwasi ber kendo piny owacho oikore mar siro joket Mwandu e yore duto.
In line with the theme of the conference, unlocking investment opportunities to drive Kenya's transformation, our missions across the globe continue to showcase Kenya's attractiveness as the preferred investment destination. We invite investors and business community to engage our missions abroad to access timely and comprehensive investment information. And Your Excellency, we are riding on this conference. We have a follow-up event of you addressing and interacting. Excellency, we are gathered at a particularly profound moment in global affairs when the Middle East crisis continues to adversely impact global and regional economic outlook as logistics disruptions and expected global oil shortages become a reality. This calls for proactive strategies such as today's conference, as well as accelerated intra-Africa partnership, including African Continental Free Trade Area, so as to ease stress from external and domestic shocks. In this regard, as a member of the East African Community and standing among the first countries to ratify the African Continental Free Trade Agreement in May 2018, Kenya continues to champion deeper regional economic and investment cooperation.